So that's how it begins, with a conversation. And then obviously in that conversation, we'll talk about interest rates with the banks. They may have ideas that we could work with. I don't know, but it starts with a conversation, and I am willing to do that.
And I know conversation is important, and I'm sure people are heartened to hear you say that, okay, let's have the dialogue. The concern, though, is that these have been issues that business have been complaining about for years. So why believe now that a conversation is going to do anything more than lead to a nice photo op?
We're at a different point in time now. We're in a period in which, and I have to go back to saying inflation is contained. We are at a point where I believe confidence, not that I believe, the recent survey on business confidence is high, consumer confidence is high. A lot of things can happen in that environment when you have confidence, when persons and businesses have confidence in the future. So the banks, I'm sure, will be willing to talk and give me their ideas. I will reach out to the president and to talk with her and see how we can, for instance, I'll definitely look at the DBJ fees to see what we can do on that score as well.
The banks, though, have been pretty obdurate in terms of their stance, because it's months now, business, not just small business, have been complaining about the lagging reduction, given the number of interest rate reductions we saw from the Bank of Jamaica last year, and not seeing the commensurate reduction from the commercial banks.
So I know that.